like the way we used to be. When I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so...
Good morning, everybody. Well, it might not be morning when you're watching this, but I am going to share with you today my morning cleaning routine. And I am starting in the kitchen this morning, just doing the baby bottles. So I'm just using a regular bottle wash. This is a Milton one, and I use this little brush that I have from Tommy TP, and I'm just going to clean them really thoroughly, and then I put them straight into this stainless steel bowl because that's what I use to sterilize them. So after they're all clean, I am going to put that in the sink, and I'm going to pour hot boiling water from the kettle straight onto the bottles, and I usually leave it be for like 10 minutes, and then I use some tongs to take them out and leave them to dry. And that's pretty much it for sterilizing. Like, you don't need any special equipment, and becoming more of a minimalist has really taught me how to use the things that I already have. Like, you don't need a special machine that's going to add not only clutter to your surface, like to your kitchen counters, but it's also going to take a lot more time because you also have now this huge machine that you need to keep clean. So yeah, it just kind of adds more tasks to your already busy day. So for me these days, it's all about simplifying and trying to be more efficient and just to use less stuff because we really do not need that much. Then I'm going to use this Purdy and Fig cleaner. It's just a regular surface cleaner with essential oils, and this is pretty much all that I use on nearly every surface in my house, like except for bathrooms. I have a special bathroom spray also from Purdy and Fig, but that's it. Like, these are the main two products that I use. I have a discount code as well if you guys wanted to give them a go. This is not sponsored, but I am a brand partner. Like, I have received these from them. Just a quick disclaimer, but I do use them so much, and I find them brilliant. They have replaced so many of my cleaning products. Like, you definitely do not need as many cleaning products as we are told by all the marketing things that we need. You don't need a special one for a window, for wood, for, you know, all of these different surfaces. This spray definitely does the trick for all of those. So now, as you can see, I've moved into the living room where I am just going to use the same spray to do our windows here, and to also do the windowsill because it was so dusty. It's kind of embarrassing, to be honest, but I haven't tackled the living room in a little while, so this was definitely needed. I do find that my cleaning has become a lot more efficient and a lot quicker as well since I've minimized our things and just the things we have on surfaces. It's so much quicker to clean my house when I don't have to move around a whole bunch of stuff out of the way so I can clean.
I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart. When I look at what I've won, I've come so far.
And if you are new around here, I'm a mom of two. My eldest is at school today. He's 5 years old. And then I also have this little baby who is 5 months old now. And she was up from her nap, so she was ready to be entertained and to play. So I put her on this playmat that we have from Love Every. They have kindly sent this playmat to me and all of these lovely toys that she absolutely loves. I love that they're, you know, specific for their age and for the milestones that they are reaching each month. They come in, like, a box is for 2 months. This box is for 5 and 6 months old, and she definitely gravitates towards these toys a lot. I think it's because, again, they're age appropriate, and so she really loves playing with them. She even loves the ones that she had in her previous boxes, especially the chewing toys. Obviously, those are her favorite ones because I think she's starting to teeth at the moment. But yeah, she has these little tummy time toys, and she really loves these wooden ones. They're so lovely quality as well. I will link them in the description box in case you're interested, but this little rotating toy is so much fun for her. She loves it. I think she loves it because she can actually do it herself, if you know what I mean. She can actually play with this herself, and it encourages her to try and, you know, sit as well. And she also loves this like tissue pulling box. How brilliant is this? I remember my first baby loved playing with my tissue boxes, which obviously is not ideal because you don't want them putting all of the tissues in their mouth, but this is brilliant because she can take the tissues out and she can also play with those as well. Yeah, so cool. We love these toys, so I will definitely link them in the description box for you guys. And yeah, so while she's entertained on the floor, I'm going to go ahead and spray around the rest of the living room. And this is another reason why I love using the Purdy and Fig cleaner, because it's non-toxic, it's really safe. You don't need gloves for it as well, because obviously it's not going to damage your skin like most cleaning products. And I really feel safe using this around my baby as well, because even if she does breathe in you know, the essential oils, she's fine. So I'm going to spray the coffee table with this, and also all of the surfaces in here, the TV stand, everything like that. And I'm also going to go around and clean up my son's Legos. We have also minimized the amount of Legos we have. It's still quite a bit, but I feel like it's way more manageable and we can tidy it up. Even he can help tidy up as well. He did get a start on tidying up this morning, but he didn't get to finish before he went to school. So I'm just going to finish that up and put some of these toys away.
So much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone, but I'm just fine.
And whenever I clean in here, I always get the urge to go through the toys as well. And I've been doing this for the past few months, and I feel like every time I get rid of more and more. Sometimes I put them like in storage in our garage to see if he will remember and ask for them. But like, I don't think he's ever asked for one toy that I have stored in there, because he doesn't play with them. He doesn't play with these. So I feel like it's quite safe to get rid of them now. And I'm also getting rid of all of these things we have in this little out box here. So whenever I have, you know, a piece of clothing or something that they don't fit anymore, we don't need them anymore, I just pop it in here so I remember to donate or sell or whatever I'm gonna do with it.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't kid around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something.
I'm also going to take this time to restock my changing bag, just wipes, nappies, you know, all of those things that you need with a baby, a bottle ready to, you know, be made up when I need it. This is a changing bag I have received by Baby Mel London, and it is brilliant. It has so many little compartments inside. It's a really good size, like it can fit so much in there, even the things I need for my 5-year-old if we do go out like on a day out together. And yeah, it just fits so much, and it also has these little clips that attach to the buggy, to your pram. It's brilliant. I really, really like it, and I really love the tan color as well. It's really up my street. And then I'm going to go around the living room and hoover it all up. There were quite a lot of crumbs and little bits of fluff on the floor, so I definitely needed to hoover in here. And at the moment, my baby loves the hoover. I know my son Victor went through so many phases. I meant to say stages or phases. Hashtag mom brain. But yeah, he went through so many stages. Like at some point he loved the hoover, and then he would scream the second he saw it. He would just get scared at loud noises. Then he was fine with it again. So yeah, I feel like as babies, they're so unpredictable and they change all the time. But yeah, at the moment she loves it, so I'm taking the opportunity to actually hoover even if she's awake around here. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think. I hope it gives you maybe some motivation to tackle yours. And yeah, I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!